If you want to learn how to send a sticker in Discord on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can send a sticker in a server or directly to a user in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to make your messages more fun, expressive, and personal. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Discord is open, go to the user chat or the server channel where you want to send the sticker. This could be a direct message with a friend, or it could be inside a server where you're chatting with other people. Now look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few icons near the text field, including the emoji icon. Right next to that, you should see the sticker icon. Click on that sticker icon to open the sticker menu. Once the sticker panel opens, you can browse through the available stickers. If you're looking for a specific feeling or reaction, you can also search for the emotion or type of sticker you want. This makes it much easier to find the perfect sticker for the moment, whether it's funny, cute, excited, or something else. After you find the sticker you want, just click on it. Discord will instantly send it in the chat. That's it. No extra steps needed. The sticker will appear in the conversation right away, just like a normal message. If the sticker doesn't send the first time, double-check that you're in the correct chat or channel and that your internet connection is working properly. Also make sure the server allows sticker use, because some servers may have certain restrictions depending on their settings. And that's how to send a sticker in Discord on PC. It's fast, simple, and a great way to add some personality to your chats. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Discord tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.